The Can-Am Ryker comes equipped with an automatic headlight system to help ensure you're always visible to other motorists while riding. In fact, depending on your state, it may be required by law that your headlights remain on anytime the vehicle is in motion for both safety and compliance. However, we found that there are specific scenarios where this always-on feature can become a drawback, like during bike nights, parades, or shows. In these situations, your Ryker may be parked with your engine still running to keep your battery charged while you showcase your aftermarket LED lighting. The factory headlights can overpower your aftermarket lights and even blind fellow spectators. To solve this, we partnered up with the team over at Phantom Shield to bring you guys a headlight on and off switch designed specifically for the Can-Am Ryker. This simple plug-and-play mod allows you to temporarily disable your headlights when your vehicle is stationary, allowing your aftermarket lighting to take center stage. Once the show is over and you're back on the road, just flip the switch to reactivate your headlights. The included waterproof switch has plenty of slack, so it can be surface mounted to a surrounding plastic body panel, or you can opt for our handlebar accessory mount for a clean bolt-on installation. Without further ado, allow me to walk you through the installation process on one of our shop Rykers. Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. The manufacturer recommends adding a dab of dielectric grease to the end of all connectors included with the kit. This protects the electrical connection points and components from moisture and corrosion. Slide open the fuel door so that you can remove these 4 push pins with a push pin removal tool. Open your glove box so that you can remove these 4 push pins. Carefully remove the side fairing panel on each side of the bike. Carefully pull back to unplug the black connector currently plugged into your headlight assembly. Grab the Phantom harness and plug the black connector on either side of the harness into the black connector you just unplugged. Then plug the orange connector from the harness into your headlight assembly. Repeat that same process for the other headlight. Unplug the black connector from the headlight, connect that plug to the black connector on the Phantom harness, and plug the remaining orange connector into the headlight assembly. Start your engine so that the headlights illuminate. Make sure that your headlights are currently set to low beams, then press and release the power button to confirm that the system is functioning properly. If everything looks good, pull the body panel located here forward and up so that you can tuck the harness neatly underneath. The manufacturer provided several feet of slack on the portion of the harness that connects to the on and off switch. This allows flexibility in mounting, especially if your handlebars are already occupied with other accessories. Option 1 is to surface mount the switch into a surrounding plastic body panel. Please note that drilling would be required for this method. Option 2 is to handlebar mount using our bolt-on accessory bracket. Remove the panel that covers your fuel cap so that you can route the on and off button harness up to the center of the handlebars. Make sure to follow the factory wiring path within the panel opening located here. Using a 5mm Allen wrench, remove the 2 screws securing one of your handlebar clamps. Insert the 2 included black spacers. Add a washer to the included bolts. Align the bracket holes with the spacers and thread in the new bolts by hand. Then tighten with a 5mm Allen wrench. Unscrew the plastic cap from the on and off button. Insert the button through the bottom of the bracket and reinstall the cap to secure it. Bundle any excess wiring and secure it behind your headlight assembly using zip ties. Turn your handlebars from end to end to confirm that you've left enough slack. Once verified, reinstall all body panels in reverse order. If a Ryker headlight on and off switch is on your mod list, head on over to slingmods.com today, or click the link in the description below to grab one for your ride, and feel free to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on three wheels. Thanks for watching.